We have in the next day with our employee table. You can say hide it. I can hide it also here. So then the 17th November for that next Sunday, that is 22nd November. 1st May for that next Sunday is 3rd May. Like this, you can get the value here. Same way for the other function, that is last day. Is the one more function, that is last day function. Select the last day, date, from dual. Last day means every month, whatever the given date for that, in that given date, month, last date it will give you. Okay. So month last day, this is April month, so that it is giving you the 30th April. Suppose if you take the May month, instead of this date, I can say 1st May 2025. Then it is giving the 31st May last date. Same way you can use the for the select high date, comma last day of high date from EMP. So November months 30 days, May 31 days. That is last day it is giving 31 May. Same here 30 June, 30 April, 31st December. Here February we have the 21 only here. Oh, sorry, 28 only. If it is a leap year, it will come 29 days here. Suppose if I say 2024 February, then last day that is 29th February. Okay. So same way 26 if you give, that is 28 days only. So automatically it is getting the leap year value also. If it is a leap year, I am getting 29 days for the February. So if it is non-leap year, I am getting the 28 days here. So next we have the Hooker trunk function is there, okay? So along with the sysdate, we can use this trunk function. Select Hooker of sysdate, comma. We need to give the format, which format we are providing this data. Date it is sysdate will be in the dd mon hyphen y by y format, and hours, minutes, seconds, comma, Hooker of trunk of, I'm using the trunk of same sysdate, comma, year I am using here. Then I'm using this, converting the date into tochar function and using this trunc function, how it is going to work here. Same I want to give here so that I'll copy this one. From 12. So now see this, tochar of sysdate DDMYY format, it is converted into 5th April 2025, date to time here seconds it is giving. The trunk of same, trunk, tochar of trunk of sysdate comma year, it is giving you the 1st January. So for this year, current running year, it is going to 1st January 2025. So only suppose if I am giving the trunk of sysdate. It is giving same as the today's date only. But when you are using the tochar of trunk of sysdate comma year function, so here what it is convert going to the year starting date. Okay, that is the difference we have to observe here. So trunk of sysdate comma year, it will give you the starting. So starting day of the year. Okay, only trunk means same date it is giving. Trunk of sysdate comma year means it is giving you the starting day of the year. It is going to here. Suppose if you give the high date in place of this, if I mention high date, what it will be? High date. Then next of this sysdate I'm giving high date. Here also I'm giving high date and replace this EMP table. So then is the high date. So I'll mention that as also separately. High date comma tochar of high date and again tochar of trunk of high date comma year. So then it is first is high date. So tochar of high date means it is giving the date along with the time also here. So trunk of the tochar of the high date comma year means it is going to so 1st January. If you see this is the 1st January 1981. This is also 1st January 1981. Here it is 1st January 1980. Somewhere here 1983, 1st January 1983. Only trunk of the format we are giving is the year after that DDMM MON YYY format I want, so that it is giving like this. Without this format, trunk of year means then only it is going to first day of the year. That is 1st January 81, 80, 83 like that. So same way you can use the only if you want months, you can use the MON here. So select took care of this data DDMN YY format I am taking and took care of trunk of this date comma MYN in this format I am taking. Okay, then you'll get the 5th April 2025 and date and time I am getting here 1st April. It is going to the 1st April. When you use the year in this trunk, what it is doing, it is going to the first day of the year. So when you are using the month here, for that you are using the MYN. So when you use the month, it is going to the first day of the month. Okay. Suppose in the real-time examples, you want to go get the first day of the month for the given date, then you can use this trunk of given date, comma MYN, so that it is going to the first day of the month. Then you have the took care of this date, comma month DD MYN YY format, and took care of trunk of this date, comma only MM I am giving. Previously I am giving the MYN, now I am giving the MM. Then it is going to same only. Either you give MM or if you give MYN, that is going to 1st April only. So here, see the difference here. Okay. Here it is going to whether you will give MM or MYN, it is going to the 1st April 2025 only. Then if you give the month of the given date, select the took care of this date, comma DDMM one format, and again took care of trunk of this date month from the L. It is going to the trunk of this date, comma month, it is going to 1st April only. Whether you give MYN TH complete or MYN or MM, both it is same way, it is getting the 1st April only here. Okay. Next function we have the extract. So it is used to extract a portion of the date value. Okay. Whatever I am telling, these are the functions along the combination of the date function only. You have to remember that. Okay. So this trunk and took care of. So we are using this along with the date functions. So extract, it is used to extract the portion of the date value. So suppose extract year, month, day, hour, like this. If you want to extract, you can use this extract keyword, extract function, not that extract function using this. So extract, in that you have to mention the year, hour, month, day, hour, minute, second, time zone, hour, time zone, minute, time zone, region. Okay, time zone abbreviation from date functions. So all these you can extract from this using this extract function. Suppose if I say select a sysdate, comma extract day from sysdate. Okay. The extracted day is there. Same way I'm mentioning the extract day from sysdate. This is the syntax we have to provide extract. Which one you have to extract from this? Day from this date I'm giving, so that it is select this date, extract day from this date from dual, that will fetch the fifth. That is suppose if you mention the date here, sixth May I'm giving 2024. Then it is getting so invalid extract. It is saying we have to provide some format only. In that format only, it will take, so that suppose if we mention this, that it has to so here I have to mention this high date also. So this date too, just it is not required for here. High date, extract day from the high date, so that it is getting the 17, 1, 9, 2, 9, 17 like this. Day means that what is the day in this given high date or sys date. That is, it is giving you here. Same way, if you want to extract the month, then you can use this select a sys date, extract month from sys date, or you can use the high date also. Same way, you can replace this one. So here it is getting the November 11th month, May 5th month, June 6th, April 4th. So that it is getting the value of that month here. Same way, if you want to use the extract the timestamp, so you can use this select extract hour from timestamp. So select extract hour from timestamp. I'm giving the timestamp, and timestamp I'm providing as the year, month, date, and time I am giving. Extract is the column name, alias name I'm giving the extract value from dual, so that it is giving you 17 here. So hours I mentioned is in the 17 here. Suppose if I mention 15, then it has to be fetch 15. That is hour. So this is the format we are giving data. In this data year, 4-digit year, 2-digit months, and 2-digit data I'm giving. From there, I'm picking this hours. Suppose if we want to get the minutes, then here we have to, instead of the hours, minute you can mention here. Then it is getting 48 minutes. This value. From here, if you mention year, then it is getting the 2021. So previously when I used the same here, I got the error. Why? Because we have to provide the date in this format only. Because suppose if I mention only up to here only, whether it will consider or not, it is going to error here. So why? Because we have to provide some format. In that format only it will consider. Suppose this is the date format, means for this extract we have to provide the complete year, month, date, and after that hours, minutes, seconds also have to provide. Based on that only it is going to get this value here. Suppose if I say 24 here, then 2024 I'm getting here. Okay. Suppose I want seconds, then instead of the year, you can mention second. Okay, so this is the extract function. Next, we have the date formats we are having. So what date formats, so how to use this, so how to understand this. That means D means name of the week. So along with this date functions, you can use these values. So D means name of the day in the week. DD means name of the day in the month. DDD means name of the day in the year. DY means first three characters of the day. Small dy means also same, it is there. Capital DY means complete characters of the day. Small dy also complete characters of the day. Okay. So here M means number of months in the year. MY means first three characters of the month. Small MON also same. MON dates month means complete characters of the month it will display. Y means last digit of the year. YY means last two digits. 3 means YYY means last three digits. YYYY means 4 digits. HS means hours. HS 24 means 24-hour format. MI means minutes. SS seconds. FS and fraction of second. W week of the month. Again WW means week of the year. Q means quarter of the year. So this will be used in the along with the date function. Okay, year formats will be, suppose if you take Y format, then it should be 2025. Suppose if you take YY, then it is 25 only. Suppose if you mention Y year, so then it will give you 20, 25. Like that you will get it. Okay. So quarter means that is first quarter means that is January to March is the first quarter. 2 means April to second quarter means April to June. Third quarter means July to September. Fourth quarter means October to December. Okay. Next we have to use this conversion function, that is toChar. We have the toChar function. It is used to convert system format into user format. Date type to character type to display date in different format. It is used to convert the date value into varchar to data type. Okay. Sometimes whenever you are using in the real time, there will be in the date format and character format we have to compare. Then we have to convert the date into character format. Then you can compare it. Then what you have to use there? toChar function we have to use there. It is used to convert the number into character, and also it converts the date into character. toChar function, it will convert the number into character function, also date into character function. So syntax is toChar date format, or you can use the number directly. Suppose select this date from 2L. What I am getting here? DD MON YY format I am getting. Okay. Same if I want to convert into character, then I can use this. Select toChar of sysdate once we are using the sysdate means that two char means we have to provide the format, date format. We have to, which format it is there, that we have to provide, that is dd MONYY HS24 MISS. Okay, this format we have to provide. Suppose if you are not providing this one, it is not getting, only same data I am getting. So if you provide the dd MONYY format, it is converting here completely. Hours, minutes, seconds also it is printing here. Same way. So select two char of sysdate comma day. I'm mentioning day from dual. So it is getting started. A complete day I'm getting here. If you see in the above example here, I mentioned this day, day. Day means complete character of the day. That is Saturday I'm getting here. If you mention small day, then first character is capital, remaining is small. So everything is small like this. Okay, if you want to get all the characters in capital, then we have to mention capital day. So that is Saturday I'm getting. Okay. Same way you can use the DD format. Instead of the sysdate, you can DD. If you use the DD, what will happen? Date, that is coming as the date, that is 5th April. That is only 5 it is displaying here. Suppose if I use the Y format only, then I'm getting the 2025. Suppose if I am using the 25 only. Okay. Suppose if I use the W, this is the first week. So that it is giving you 1. WW means from the starting of the year, this is the 14th week. Okay, you can calculate that also. And quarter, if you want to give the which quarter it is there, sysdate comma Q, then is the second quarter. So April to March first quarter, sorry, January to March first quarter, April to June second quarter. So it is giving you 2 here. Okay, so all the functions which are mentioned here, this you can use along with the date functions. Okay, so I'm using this month here instead of the Q. Then I'm getting April. I'm getting the capital here. Okay, this is about the date functions. So two char can be used along with the date and also numbers also. Okay. So one more example for this date function I'll give is, so select start from EMP where two char of idate comma FM day. Okay, so FM day is a function, so it will compare with the day of the week. So that is name of the week here. It is getting only 2 records. Suppose if I say Saturday, is there any Saturday joinings are there? Then only 1 record. If you take Monday, then I am getting 1 record. So to compare the day, you can use this idate comma FM day. So that will be with the weekday, you can compare like this. So two char of sysdate comma WW space W. That is from the year point of view, it is the 14th week. From the month point of view, it is the first week. This is about the date format, how to use along with the two char and data. Now you can use the number format. Select two char of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, comma. In this format, I want to convert 9999 999.99. So then it is converting here. This is the decimal place, 2 nines. So it is 0, it is coming. And after that, 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds place. After that, it is comma is there. Same it is converted into here. After that, 1, 2, it is there. Suppose if I say 1, 2 more extra numbers here. Then it is converting in this format only. 9999 comma here. 99 comma 99 comma. Same here 12 comma 34 comma 567. Okay. So to convert the decimal places into also normal number into decimal places in this format, you can use the select 1, 2, 3, 4 comma 2 care of 1, 2, 3, 4 999 DD sorry D 99 decimal places. You can use this. This is for D for decimal places. Suppose if I say 999, then you will get 3 digits after decimal, 3 zeros I am getting here. Suppose if I say here I am having 5, 6, 7, 8, but I am having here only 2 digits, then it is trunking this value here up to 2 digits. And again it is more than 5, greater than 5, so that it is added to 1 here, so that it is giving 5, 7. So same way you can use the to-char function for the numbers in this salary. So to-char of commission minus salary, and S I'm giving 9999, so that it is giving error, it is there, value it is there, then only it is giving values here. Okay. S means sign, that is sign it is mentioning here. So same way here function is there. Then the employee table we have the select star from EMP, where to care of added YYY is equals to 1982. Only if the year is 1982, then I want to fetch it. Okay, I'm using this to care added YYY.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
select 2, 3, 4 2 care అనేది ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్ అదేంటి.
Select this one 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes sir, this one is above one.
To care అంటే ఇది number format actually. This is the number format. So to compare in the suppose you are having opposite to compare with the character is there. Column name is in the varchar 2, it is there. Then you have to convert this into to-char function. Okay.
Okay.
So then only it will compare. Here there will not be any much difference. You can see if you use like this, select 1, 2, 3, 4 to-char means it is same way it is displaying here. Okay, but